Hello, and welcome to Top and Best in Everything. We are back with another amazing video for you. Today we will talk about Aweber. In today's video you will get all the information about Aweber, and in the end you will be sure you should get into Aweber or not. But before we start today's video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. We provide amazing content every day. With that being said, let's start today's video. Aweber is a suitable email marketing software for all. It's relatively easy to use, although its navigation and organization of features can be confusing, which makes it suitable for inexperienced marketers who haven't used an email marketing service before. Aweber also has enough advanced features to satisfy the needs of experienced marketers who want to create highly targeted campaigns. And best thing about it is that it provides free trials, so you can start with that and get better understanding with the platform. We will provide free trial link in the description so you can check from there. Let's talk about Aweber features. Aweber has a lot of good features, including segmentation, A/B testing, dynamic content, and landing pages. However, it doesn't have any features that really stand out, and it wasn't always clear where the features were located, which meant they were easy to miss. 1. Subscribers. Aweber offers the standard contact options to manually add or upload a group of contacts. When you add a subscriber manually, which would be the case for people just starting out with email marketing who don't already have an email list, you can customize the fields. This could be anything from favorite color to gender. As you enter more contacts, Aweber saves time by auto-suggesting possible tags and campaigns based on past entries below. You can customize the customer information you collect to make sure you have the data you need to create segments. Then you can tailor your campaigns so that the content you send is as relevant as possible. For example, if you sell sneakers, you can collect information on gender and customer shoe size and then create a segment for women with 6 to 8 sized shoes below. 2. Messages. Aweber gives you lots of options to create emails, depending on your experience and the amount of time you want to spend. One of its most interesting features is its artificial intelligence-powered email builder, which is called Smart Designer. All you have to do is enter the URL of your website and it will create a range of templates in seconds. You can save as many templates as you like and then start the editing process. The email creation dashboard is well organized and laid out, with automatic separation of draft emails you haven't sent, emails that you are sending to everyone, broadcasts, and emails that form part of a campaign. This is particularly useful when you have created a lot of campaigns and need a more segregated view of your emails to find them quicker. 3. Automated campaigns and workflows. Aweber offers a series of templates to help you get started with building automated campaigns, including welcome series for when a customer signs up to your list and blogger series, which offers different, but related content, over a series of emails. Creating your own automated campaign, called workflow in many other email marketing solutions, is easy, and you can either trigger a campaign when a new user signs up or based on the criteria you have used to tag customers. These tags are how you segment your customers. 4. Sign-up forms. Aweber provides a sign-up form builder, below, to allow you to collect details from potential customers and build your email lists. The user interface is clunky, it's difficult to get the different elements to go where you want them, but it makes up for it in functionality. For example, you can customize when the pop-up shows, such as whether it opens beneath the current page, or displays on exit. You can also set different display frequencies, such as always, once per customer, or every few days. 5. Reports. Aweber doesn't just track vanity metrics such as opens and clicks, but also more granular revenue-based metrics that allow you to properly measure the ROI of your campaigns. This includes metrics such as conversions, revenue over time, sales in a specific period, such as the past 24 hours. 6. Working with Aweber's support. Aweber offers 24/7 email and live chat support to all its customers, whether they have a free or a paid pricing plan. It's one of the only email marketing solutions to do that. Its help options are easy to access. All you have to do is click on the Help option in the main menu or click on the little head in the lower right-hand corner to access live chat. 7. Aweber pricing. Aweber has one of the most straightforward and easy to understand pricing structures available. Its free plan allows you to send up to 500 emails per month to 3,000 subscribers. While it contains a huge number of features for a free plan, it doesn't include A/B testing or automations based on past shopping behavior. There is only one paid pricing plan, which has varying costs depending on the number of contacts. The price starts at $19 per month if billed monthly. There is a 14.9% discount if you pay annually. If you want to start your free trials, we will provide link in the description, so don't forget to check it. Did you find our video helpful? If yes, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.